Happy New Year! Guess what? 2020's gone. That train wreck, hopefully, is behind us. Still got some messes to clean up from that year, but that's all right. But guess what? 2020 wasn't a complete train wreck, at least for us. This channel, The Crazy Pop, has done great. I mean, it grew so much more than we ever expected it to. And with growth, sometimes comes changes. So that's what we're here to talk about today, is the changes we're going through. Not all changes are bad, don't worry. If you noticed our channel icon, our channel logo down there, it says Cooking with the Crazy Pop now. That's right, this channel is going to focus more on cooking. Still with the family, we're still going to keep the family aspect because that's what we do here. We're still going to focus on cooking here. What we're trying to do is we're having trouble tailoring to all the needs, you know, our travels and all the other kind of stuff meshed in with the cooking. We got some subs who watch, some sub watches, some watch both, and that's great. So what we're going to do is we're going to have another channel. Link to that new channel is now down below in the description. It's live, but there's no videos there yet. Yet, keyword, yet, coming soon. The new channel is going to be called Hanging with the Crazy Crew. That's right. Because we feel like that'll encompass and include more instead of just me, the Crazy Pop. It will include the Crazy Crew. And hanging with the Crazy Crew includes whoever's with us. Hey, if you happen to see us out somewhere, whatever, guess what? You're hanging with the Crazy Crew. There you go. So, head on over to that channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification. Even though there's no videos up yet, there will be soon. Don't miss out on any of the fun. That way you'll be notified as soon as we put a video up, which is coming soon. We've already got something in the plans. We're getting ready to record it here later on today probably, so it'll be up quickly. This channel will be still cooking. A few shenanigans still thrown in here and there. Who knows what's going to happen here? You never can tell. It's the Crazy Acres. Who knows? So be sure to, if you want to subscribe to both channels, we'd love nothing more than that. And if you want to subscribe to one and not the other, that's fine too. That's what we're trying to do, is give you more options to more tailor to what you're looking for. Kind of niche down a little bit and be able to focus. This channel can focus more on cooking. The other channel can focus more on everything else that we do. So with that being said, Happy New Year. Check out our other channel. It's live, no videos yet, but you can go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and ring that bell notification. Get all that done. If you want to stay on this channel, hey, we would love that. Love it. Hope you enjoy it. Please share all this out. Let people know that this is happening. And we'll see you soon.